Bulgarian split squat jump butt kickers is an advanced plyometric bodyweight leg exercise that improves explosiveness. To get started, sit down on a sturdy box that is just below knee height. To find how far your planted foot should be away from the box, extend your legs in front of your body with your heels planted into the floor. Keep one heel pressed into the floor as you step back with the other foot to stand up. Press the front foot firmly into the floor, then with your core contracted, raise your back foot and place the top of your foot on top of the box. This is the starting position. While keeping your chest upright, lower your body by bending your front knee until your thigh is close to parallel to the floor, while your back knee hovers just above the floor. Keep your elbows bent at a 90-degree angle, with the arm on the side of your front leg driving back and the arm on the back leg in the forward position. Once your back knee is hovering just a few inches off the floor, explosively press your front foot through the floor to jump straight up into the air. To generate more power, contract your core, swing your back arm forward and your front arm back as you bring your front foot back and up to kick your butt with your heel. Cushion your joints by landing softly as you immediately dip back into the split squat with the same leg forward. Immediately complete another rep. Complete all the reps on one leg, then switch legs and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.